Today, sir, I'm Kimpi Makalitong. We discuss the parts and function of polygraph in Stolting. First is pinograph module. Measures breathing patterns using upper and lower tubes. Second, cardiograph module. Records blood pressure and pulse rate via an arm cuff and pneumatic pump. Third, galvanograph. Measures electrical conductivity of the skin through finger electrodes. Fourth, chart drive system. Moves paper at a constant speed, 6 to 12 inches per minute for recording. Fifth, pin lifter. Raise or recording pins. Six, sensitivity or steering controls. Adjust the amplitude of the mixing. Seven, motion sensors. Detects movements, distortions is placed on the set. All the parts and function of polygraph in Stolting. Thank you, sir.